Welcome to Living Irving. It's your girl Tanya, and today I will be doing a traction alopecia hairstyle. So I have some very bald, thin edges, and if you are someone that suffers from traction alopecia and you're looking for some inspirational hairstyles, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting out by moisturizing my hair with a bottle of water. This video will be sped up, so if you see some things looking a little glitchy, that's because of the editing and how I sped it up. So what I'm doing is parting my hair to the best of my ability down the middle. I do not have a back mirror, so I'm just doing this by trial and error just to demonstrate this hairstyle for anyone that suffers from traction alopecia. So I'm using my Shine and Jam, and I just love this product. This is one of my favorite hair products. It gives me like a nice shine to my hair, and it also holds down any flyaways. So I'm getting ready to start the braiding process. I do have long fingernails on, so this kind of made it really difficult to get the very best, neatest braid that I could possibly do, but it works out because what we're going to be doing is adding braided hair. So behind me I have some plaits that I pre-braided, some 42-inch pre-stretched hair that I just braided into a short braid, and you'll see in a second as I do my 2 French braids on my hair how we are going to sew those braids down in the next segment. So yes, I'm finishing up my French braids, and then we're going to go ahead and grab the 2 French braids that I braided down, pop those rubber bands off, and then you're going to get you a sewing needle and thread, and you're just going to sew this down. This is the first time I tried this hairstyle. I have seen it on social media, and I thought it was simply so cute and simple and a great way to wear French braids on thin and fine hair like myself. So if you have thin, fine hair, this is a great technique. Being that this is the first style, I am going to experiment with this style more often because I do have a vision of some other hairstyles that will look really cute with this braided hair. So right now I'm just going ahead and bringing up my edges, and then I'm going in with one of my favorite products. This is the Kiss gray cover stick. This is in the color dark brown. I didn't want to go jet black because the dark brown is not so harsh and it kind of blends out better. This is not a lipstick. It's pretty tacky, this product, so once you apply it, you can blend it out with your finger. I have long fingernails, so I had to use like a brush or something to blend this out. And so now I'm just doing my edges and swooping those down, and then you're going to repeat the process on both sides. Just make sure to blend out the gray cover stick with your finger. My nails are too long again. I could not use my finger, but yeah, just keep blending. The key is to blend this out, and this product works so well in disguising your bald, thinning edges. Give it a try. I will have the link down below if you're interested in purchasing this product. Just check out the link in the description box. So now that I've finished swooping my edges, I'm going to go ahead and add some little hair jewels that I had sitting around in one of my drawers, not drawers, to add a little extra pizzazz. The French braids aren't long, they're just shoulder length, something really natural. My husband actually thought it was my hair, so this one is really natural. He could not tell the difference, and he really liked it and gave me a lot of compliments, so I think it turned out cute. Tell me what you think in the comments below. This is the final look for the first time doing this look. I think it's a cute look for a traction alopecia hairstyle. This is a great way to wear some French braids and make your hair look a lot thicker. This right here just gives me a little vibe, like something cute to wear, so yeah, thank you for watching. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy mama with class and more. I'm living I'm